Hello friends, this is Dr. Shilpa Gawande and welcome in this video of pharmaceutical engineering of mixing chapter. Now today in this video we'll discuss about the Sigma blade mixer. Again this Sigma blade mixer, it is used for mixing of solid liquid. Mixing of solid liquid, this generally Sigma blade mixer it is used. Now what is the, first we'll discuss about the principle of this Sigma blade mixer. Now what is the principle of this Sigma blade mixer? Now it works on the shear, on the principle of the shear. Intermeshing of the Sigma blades, it creates a high shear, and because of this high shear, because of this blade, see you can see here the blades, these kneading action is done and these blades are in opposite direction to each other and they are zeta shaped. This mixer, Sigma blade mixer, it is also called as the zeta mixer, it is also called as the Sigma blender, it is also called as the double arm mixer, then it is also called as a kneader. Kneader भी इसको बोला जाता है as it gives a kneading action. Zeta blender because it has a sigma shaped or the Z shaped blades, therefore zeta blender, Sigma blade mixer, double arm mixer, these are the various names. So in the examination you may ask by knowing the kneader or give the construction working of the zeta blender, give the construction working of the kneader. So you have to write this Sigma blade mixer. Now let us discuss about the construction of this equipment. Now it consists of a double tough shaped stationary ball. See, this is a stationary ball, right? And two Sigma shaped or Z shaped blades are fitted horizontally. See, you can see here these two blades are fitted in the trough, right? In the trough, these bowls, these two blades are fitted, right? These blades are connected to a fixed speed drive. These blades are connected to a fixed speed drive. Now this mixer, it is loaded from the top, from this top, this mixer it is loaded and it is unloaded by just tilting the entire bowl. You have to tilt the entire bowl and the mixer is going to be unloaded or the trough is going to be unloaded. The blade moves at different speed. These blades, they move at different speed, one about twice than the other. One about twice than the other. So suppose one rotates with a slow speed, the second one rotates with a double speed of that first one, which allows the movement of the particles to what we can say, the movement of this powder from side to center. From side to center, these blades will move the particle in this way. In this way there is a continuous movement of this zeta mixer and the kneading and the rolling action is imparted by these blades, and because of this the kneading and rolling action is imparted. So as this blade moves one about twice than other, means the speed of rotation we can say that it is 2:1, means one blade rotates with a 1 speed, another blade rotates with a twice speed, right? Then this can be what we can say, the clearance of this blade, it is very less. The clearance means the space which is present between the wall of the trough and the blade, it is very less. So the material which is present or the powder which is present at the towards the side can be what we can say, bring to the center of this trough. The material also moves top to downwards and gets shredded between the blades. So not only from the side to center but from the top to bottom also the material moves and the wall of the trough resulting cascading action. This is called as the cascading action, that is a movement in the upward direction and the downward direction. Perforated blades also can be used for what we can say, to aggregate and to impart the high shear. Perforated blades also can be used. And the final stage of mix represents an equilibrium stage. The final stage, it can represent the equilibrium stage. Now here you can use, it is suitable for mixing of the material having viscosity in the range of 1 lakh to 5 lakh centipoise. It is suitable for the viscosity of 1 lakh to 5 lakh centipoise and the sigma blade, it may be closed to prevent the losses of volatile oil. So this you can see here कि this blender it can be closed, इसको ऊपर से ये लीड रहेगी जो कि हम क्लोज कर सकते हैं, सो दैट वोलेटाइल कंटेंट के लॉसेस इसमें नहीं होंगे. इट मे बी जैकेटेड, यू कैन जैकेट इट ऑल्सो बाय द स्टीम. स्टीम से तुम इसको जैकेट भी कर सकते हो अगर तुम्हें हीटिंग एक्शन वगैरह चाहिए है तो, राइट. सो इट इज सूटेबल फॉर ड्राई पाउडर ऑल्सो. This mixture it is suitable for dry powder also. So let us see the uses of this blade, what we can say blade, sigma blade mixer. It is used for the weight granulation process. I had told you that कि it is suitable for solid liquid mixing. So weight granulation process के लिए ज़्यादा suitable है in the manufacturing of tablet, pills, ointments. And it's primarily used for liquid solid mixing, although it can be used for the solid also. You can use it for the dry powders also. solid mixing के लिए भी तुम इसको use कर सकते हो. Then what are the advantages? This sigma blade mixer, it creates the minimum dead space during mixing. There is no dead space. All amount of the powder is going to mix. देर इज़ नो स्पेस कि जहाँ की पाउडर जो है वो बची हुई है, मिक्स हुई नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं होता. इट हैज़ अ क्लोज टॉलरेंसेस बिटवीन द ब्लेड एंड द साइड वॉल. आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट कि क्लियरेंस जो है वो बहुत कम है. सो ब्लेड और साइड वॉल का क्लियरेंस जो है वो कम होने की वजह से यू विल गेट अ प्रॉपर मिक्सिंग एक्शन इन द सिग्मा ब्लेंडर. And disadvantage is that keep sigma blade, it mixers works at a fixed speed. You cannot decrease or increase the speed of this mixer. So this is about the sigma blade mixer. If you like this video, please do like and share with your friends. Thank you very much.